C is highly predictable from the history of environmental changes on Earth. D is one of a few possibilities. E is just one of a vast number of possibilities. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer is E, just one. Question 2. Which of the following applies to mitochondrial DNA? Mitochondrial DNA, A, is only inherited from the mother. B, is scrambled by sexual recombination. C, mutates at a highly irregular rate. D, is not useful for dating when groups of organisms separated. And E, is the same as nuclear DNA. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer to question 2 is A.
Go, Hugh!
So how have we done on the pronunciation so far? I can take it if it's not been so good. I can take it.
I love you, Houston! Focus, Matt.
All right, we're good to go. Question number 3. Tiktaalik's fossils were discovered in a small geographic area compared to the fossils from the species before and after it. This distribution of fossils from Tiktaalik and its relatives is consistent with A, mutation, B, punctuated equilibrium, C, linkage disequilibrium, D, random distribution, E, phylogeny. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer is B, punctuated equilibrium. Now to question number 4. What technique did Hubby and Lewontin use to get the first good estimates of genetic variation in populations? A, inference from morphological differences in a population. B, Western blot. C, Northern blot. D, PCR. E, protein electrophoresis. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer is E, Proteus. Question 5. The idea that systematic examination of empirical evidence is sufficient for a complete understanding of the universe is called A, scientism, B, materialism, C, deism, D, evolutionism, E, atheism. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer is A, science. Thank you, students. You may return to your seats. All right, let me bring down Scholastic 5 students. Should now come to the stage and take their places. Exit from the stage. All right, students, please check that the name and student number on your Scantron form are correct. And the 5th round will now begin with question 1. When two extreme phenotypes are less fit than an intermediate phenotype, it is called A, directional selection, B, natural selection, C, stabilizing selection, D, artificial selection, E, disconnected selection. Please mark your answer on the Scantron form and press the appropriate button on the keypad. Pencils up. The answer is C. Question 2. Which